Tissues. Tissues are groups of cells that are similar in structure and common in function. Histology is the study of tissues. There are 4 basic tissue types: epithelial, connective, nervous, and muscle. These are the different types of tissues. Epithelial has 2 different types: covering and lining, and glandular. Covering and lining forms an outer layer of your skin, while glandular forms the boundaries around the glands of your body. Classifications of epithelial tissue are based on 2 names. The first is the number of cells, and the second is based on the cell shape. Layers consist of simple epithelial, which is a single cell layer, or stratified epithelial, which is 1 or more cells packed together. Cell shape has squamous cells, cuboidal cells, and columnar cells, which are squamous, flat and scaly, cuboidal are box-like, and columnar are tall and column-shaped. Simple epithelial has simple squamous, simple cuboidal, simple columnar, pseudostratified columnar. Stratified epithelial is 2 or more layers. Stratified squamous is good at resisting abrasion. Transitional is stretchy and waterproof. And stratified columnar and cuboidal are rare to non-existent in the human body. Again, these are just the different types of cells. Glandular epithelium, a gland with 1 or more cells. They have endocrine and exocrine. Endocrine is ductless glands which secrete directly into the bloodstream. Exocrine has ducts and secrete products through ducts to your outside body. They have 3 ways to secrete: merocrine, holocrine, and apocrine. Merocrine release products by exocytosis. Holocrine builds up with its products and then bursts. Apocrine releases products through the glands such as your armpits. Again, different ways of secretion. Connective tissue connects, supports, and binds. Characteristics: they have the same origin, they have different degrees of vascularity, and an extracellular matrix. A ground substance is a jelly-like goo that fills the space between the cells and contains fibers and collagen, has interstitial fluid, adhesion proteins, and protoglycans. Fibers are providing support. Different types of fibers are collagen fibers, elastic fibers, and reticular fibers. Structural elements of connective tissue: they have permanent cells and accessory cells. Permanent cells consist of fibroblasts, which are baby cells. Adipocyte cells store lipids. Chondroblast cells make cartilage. Accessory cells consist of white cells, plasma cells, mast cells, and macrophages. White cells are part of your immune system. Plasma cells make antibodies. Mast cells make histamine, which cause inflammation. And macrophages are giant eating machines, cells eating other cells. 4 types of connective tissue: connective tissue proper, cartilage, bone, and blood. Classifications: connective tissue can be broken down into 2 subdivisions: loose connective and dense connective, while cartilage has 3: hyaline, elastic, and fibrocartilage. Connective tissue proper, loose connective tissue, has areolar, adipose, and reticular. Areolar tissue is like a tissue glue, has a lot of collagen. Adipose tissue stores lipids, and reticular has fibers that form the framework that supports our cells. Dense connective tissue has lots of collagen. Dense regular has collagen fibers running in the same direction, while dense irregular has the same fibers running in different directions. Cartilage is good at tension and compression, has hyaline, elastic, and fibrocartilage. Hyaline is most abundant in the body. Elastic is found in your ears, has a lot of elastin, and fibrocartilage has large abundance of collagen found in your meniscus of your knee. Bone and blood tissue. Bone tissue stores calcium, while blood carries oxygen and has an extracellular matrix. Epithelial membranes: cutaneous membrane, mucous membrane, and serous membrane. Cutaneous membrane is your skin, which is keratinized and dry. Mucus is a wet membrane, is found in your body cavities which are open to the exterior, and serous membranes are also wet and found in the bodies that are not open to the outside. Nervous tissue transmits and stores information, which helps regulate and controls body functions. Neurons and supporting cells are highly vascularized nerve cells that generate nerve impulses. Supporting cells are non-conducting cells that support but insulate and protect delicate neurons. Muscle cells help to contract and provide movement. Skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and smooth muscles. Skeletal muscles packed by connective tissue sheets. Cardiac muscles are found in the heart walls, and smooth muscles have no visible striations. Tissue repair. Inflammation is not the first step in tissue repair, however, it does get the tissue ready for repair. Organization starts the tissue repair with the formation of granulation tissue, which helps with new capillaries. Regeneration helps surface epithelium, which helps grow across your skin. Fibrous, which is formation of scar tissue. And that is your tissue repair.